everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to cook some shrimp. So you'll need garlic. I'm gonna crush it with my knife. This is my technique. Then after that I'm gonna chop it up a little bit. And then in a clay pan I've added some olive oil. Then I will fry the garlic. That way we've got like a flavored olive oil. And the shrimp also will absorb that flavor. Here we go. We're gonna fry everything together right now for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna crush some tomatoes. I have some salt, black pepper, and red paprika. Let it all fry. I like the spices to fry a little bit in the oil. That way it releases some flavor. Now we've got our crushed tomatoes. We're gonna fry it as well. When the oil separates, that means the tomatoes are ready. Here are the parsley and coriander I've chopped. And this is our final dish. I hope you like it.